Now, if you have been following me, you know I don't usually talk about gaming console, but here's the thing. Gaming devices have been fascinating me since I was a kid. Growing up, I wasn't exposed to it and I didn't have access to the let's take, but I spent my childhood playing PlayStation and computer games, mostly through CDs. I know it sounds crazy, but yeah, I enjoy it to the fullest, even though things were pretty behind back then. But I have always had this deep curiosity about how these gaming devices work. So today I'm diving into the ROG Xbox Ally X. So this is a collaboration between ASUS and Xbox, which brings us a handheld gaming console that's not just about portable gaming but also about integrating the Xbox ecosystem in a truly mobile form. Think of it like a high-end portable gaming PC. The goal here isn't just to play games, it's about complete gaming experience on the go. And even though I don't own it yet, I can already see how this could change the way people approach gaming. Let's talk about the design now. From what I've seen in reviews and unboxings, this thing has a great ergonomic feel. It's not clunky like some other handhelds, and the grips are tall, the buttons are laid out just like an Xbox controller. That's the beauty of this device. You're going to get that Xbox familiarity without the bulk. It's not just about comfort though. The device is sleek, modern, and feels like it could easily compete with any premium tech out there, even though you are just browsing your Xbox Game Pass library or kicking back with a more casual title. So basically, this is huge for anyone who already uses Xbox Game Pass or cloud gaming. You are essentially getting a portable Xbox One or Xbox Series X, but with a screen and controls built right in the device on the hand. I know the performance is a key for a gaming device, and the ROG Xbox Ally X doesn't disappoint. It has a 7-inch Full HD display with 120Hz refresh rate. That's not just a nice spec, it means games will look sharp and run smoothly, even in high-paced action sequence. And on the top of that, it has a AMD Ryzen Z2 Extreme chip and 24 GB of RAM. So you're not just playing mobile games here. You can handle AAA titles, multitasking, and anything else without the device slowing down. You get the power of the gaming PC, but it's handheld. Now, here's something that's always a bit tricky with portable devices. It's the battery life. From what I've seen, the ROG Xbox Ally X holds up pretty well with its 80 watt hour battery. You're looking at around 3 up to 4 hours of gameplay on AAA titles and up to 8 hours for a lighter games. It's a balance between power and staying portable, and of course it's not just gaming profile to optimize battery life, which is something I think is super thoughtful. It shows that they are not just focused on raw power, they are like thinking about real world use too. When it comes to connectivity, this device doesn't mess around. It have a dual USB Type-C ports, a micro SD card reader, and even the ability to hook up an external GPU. It's like this device is ready to grow with you as you need to evolve. I'm not gonna lie, the price tag is steep at around 1300 Canadian dollar, but for someone who wants the combination of console level gaming and PC like power in a portable form, this is something that's hard to beat. I think this device is for someone who is serious about gaming but also wants flexibility. Maybe you don't have the space for a big gaming PC or a dedicated console setup, but you still want to enjoy the AAA games and the full Xbox experience. The ROG Xbox Ally X could be your new best friend. Do I think the device is cool? Absolutely. It's a perfect mix for power, portability, and Xbox integration. It's not just for gamers, honestly. It's just for anyone who loves tech and wants to see the future of handheld devices. Would I buy it? Right now, I'm not sure. I'm not ready to drop that kind of cash on it, but I can definitely see the appeal for anyone who's looking for ultimate portable gaming experience. Guys, let me know what you think in the comments. Does the ROG Xbox Ally X get you excited, or are you holding out for something else? Hit the like button if you enjoy the video and subscribe to my channel for more tech contents. Catch you in the next one.